Hello everyone, welcome to TechLeopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in your Windows 11 computer. Now the first thing that you have to do is go to your start menu, and from here click on settings. Now from the left click on personalization, and now in here you can see we have a few themes that we can apply. Now just select the second one, the dark one, and as you can see everything turned nice and dark. And if we open our start menu, you can see that it is dark as well. Now if you want to do more customization and change the accent colors, you can just go to colors, and from here select any accent color, and now just enable these two radio buttons, and that will make your start menu and also the file explorer to have that accent color. And that is how you can turn on or enable dark mode in your Windows 11 computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.